Okay, today we're going to make homemade cranberry sauce. So pretty simple, we're going to use a 12-ounce bag of frozen cranberries. Has a recipe on the back here, pretty easy to follow. We're going to start by putting 1 cup of water into this little pot. Then the recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to do a little bit less. I'm going to do about maybe 3/4 of a cup just to reduce the sugar content a little bit. Obviously, the more sugar, the sweeter it's going to be. Less sugar, the more tart the cranberry sauce will be. I'm going to add about maybe 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's it. Stir this together, put on the stove, and bring it to a boil. Okay, now that the water and sugar is boiling, we'll add the cranberries, and we'll turn the heat down. Stir in the cranberries. Then we'll put a lid on this, and we'll gently boil it or simmer it for about 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. All right, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. Starting to look pretty good. It's almost there. We're going to turn off the stove, give it one last mix, then we'll remove it from the heat and let it sit out for a little while and cool down. And once it's cool enough to put it in the refrigerator, we'll put it in the refrigerator. So this is ready to serve tomorrow with our Thanksgiving meal. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.